Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 cursor loading blinking circle. The cursor loading blinking circle issue in Windows 11 can be caused by background processes, driver issues or system setting. Here are how to fix the step-by-step guide. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. As the initial step, you need to restart Windows Explorer. To do that, just right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager. In the background processes, you need to find Windows Explorer. Scroll down, keep going. Yes, it is right here. Just tap on that one, tap on restart. It will be restart the Windows Explorer completely. If that also not working, you have to disable background services. To do that, press Windows plus R, it will be open run menu. Now you need to type msconfig. Just tap on OK. In here, go to Services tab, tap on Hide all Microsoft services and tap on Disable all. Then after, tap on OK and restart your computer. If that also not working, you have to update mouse and display drivers. To do that, press Windows plus X. It will be open this kind of menu. You can go just right click on in the start menu also. You can go that menu. Just go to Device Manager. Expand this one and go to yes, it is right here. Mice and other pointed devices. Double tap on it and choose the driver. Right click on it. Tap on Update driver. Just tap on Search automatically for drivers. It will be automatically find the drivers and download that drivers. After that, close this one. Do the same thing the second one. Okay, it is already installed. And again you need to go to Display Adapters option. Double tap on it. Choose your driver. Right click on it. Tap on Update driver. Tap on Search automatically for drivers. Rather than, you can do this method. Right click on it, update driver. In here, choose the second one, choose this one and choose your driver. Tap on next. This will reinstall the already installed drivers. That also help to fix the problem. And all of these methods are not working, you have to go with further steps. Now you need to change mouse pointer setting. To do that, go to search bar, search for mouse setting. It is right here. Just tap on it. Waiting for open. Okay, now scroll down a little bit. Go to additional mouse setting under the related setting. Just tap on it. Okay. In here, you need to go to pointers option and make sure schema is set to Windows default system scheme. Then after, tap on OK. Once it is finished, you have to disable Windows search service if that previous method is not working. To do that, press Windows plus R again. It will be open run menu. Now you need to type services.msc and hit enter. In this services menu, you need to find Windows search. Scroll down to the bottom side. Okay, find the Windows search. It is right here. Just right click on it. Tap on stop. It will be stop the Windows search service. And if that also not working, you have to scan for malware. To do that, go to search bar, search for security. Tap on Windows security option here. Choose the virus and threat protection, that is first one. Tap on quick scan. If you have third-party virus guard or virus software, you can choose that one also for this purpose. Then after, close this one. Then after, you can perform system file checks. To do that, go to search bar again, search for command prompt, It is right here. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type these commands as I type. sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. This will take small time to fix the corrupted file in your computer. Then after you need to type dism space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. Make sure you enter the capital and simple like this, okay? Then after tap on hit enter. These 7 methods definitely fix your issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.